everyone, and today we will be reviewing the Deluxe Roundhouse. This is the box that the Deluxe Roundhouse comes in. Now, I got this for my birthday. You want to see what was on top of my birthday cake? These two things. Anyways, but that's not the point of the video. Now, you're probably wondering, you want me to unbox this. Well, it's already been unboxed, so now let's go look at the set. This set came together. This set came in the box put together. It came with the turntable that had to be assembled, but the shed was already assembled. Batteries not included. Yes, this set needs batteries. So, you turn it on and you can push this button and it makes noises. Now, this set doesn't come with any engines, but luckily, I have my Thomas. Now, let's take a look at the turntable. The turntable acts well, but these two things come unattached. And so the turntable was like this. You can't keep this attached on, but it works well. Now, let's get inside the sheds and look at what this set has to offer. Inside the shed, you have an option of tools. Let's start over here with this shed. You have an oil can for the wheels. And then you have a wrench for all the bolts. And then you have a brush to dust the engines off. Or maybe, never mind. Anyways, and you've got a hammer to hammer stuff or ding out dents like this one. Whatever. And finally, you've got a paintbrush. This black engine right here, that came with another set. It's a paintbrush where you can paint the engines. Now, overall, this is a great set. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.